Hello and wonderful good morning. Today we do something very exciting. We are going to Sobha Hartland and we get a brief for the latest projects. And then additionally, we are going to visit all the Sobha sites to check out their construction progress and how the construction looks in general. Very exciting. Today it's very rainy, so it's always reflected in the traffic as well, but it's very nice and refreshing. Like you're coming home and then you're just like surrounded by greenery, and the Burj Khalifa is just 5 minutes over there. Do you see the windows on the right side? It's like a full window front, so they have such a beautiful and open view. So nice. We have some of them under management, and there was never ever any issue with those properties, and they are now I think around 6 or 7 years old. Look, all of them are rented out. All of those balconies are occupied. So let's find a parking spot.
Yep.
Oh, the weather is fine. I really enjoy it. One building I really like is on the other side. It's called Just Rest.
Just
Rest. Just Rest. Big Rest. So we just finished our briefing with Noor. Noor was very helpful and gave us a super insight for the Element, Elwood and Solis. So if you want to know more, just follow our channel and have a look at our videos. So this is Creek Vista Heights, and we have a beautiful 1-bedroom unit available on the corner with view to the downtown. So it's a corner unit here, quite a high floor, and then I have a beautiful view to the downtown on the right side. We are leaving Sobha right now, and it's only 7 minutes to Sobha Hartland 2. Let's get ready. All right, now we are almost there. We can already see on the right side, this is Sobha Hartland 2. And so all this area will be a community with high-rise building and lots of high luxury villas. We have a family-focused community, including schools and a lot of greenery, lagoons. In the heart of Dubai, we are literally 15 minutes far away from downtown. And it will be a super quiet and beautiful area. Look at that! We are in Sobha Hartland 2. You know, one thing I really love about Sobha in general is that they do everything in-house. So everything what they build, everything what they do with in-house companies. So we can be sure about the quality, and quality always means that there is less maintenance. That means you have a very good long-term investment, giving you long-term value and capital appreciation and good rental yields. We are right now in the middle of Sobha Hartland 2. This is going to be the first master community by Sobha, where Sobha is building all the properties. We just left Sobha Hartland 2 and we can already see Sobha 1. Behind me you can see Sobha 1. It's 5 interconnected towers, and we are right behind that it's downtown. And when we have a look on the right of it, there will be the Element, the brand new lounge of Sobha. So this is Sobha Hartland 2, and right left from it there is Sobha Hartland 1, and right behind there is the Dubai downtown skyline. Honestly, the location is just perfect. I don't know why, but always when I'm doing this kind of tours, it's always very windy and the weather is not perfect, but anyway, it's fine. We are right now at the valley, developed by Emaar, and behind us there's an empty plot, and this is the place where Elwood will be. Elwood is a new villa community developed by Sobha, so it's high quality, that means less maintenance. And yeah, so this area is going to be a full green area, and it also will have a primary school, so everything is around your house. Look at that. We are here at the Orbis plot, which is already showing very active construction. And amazing here is the location, because on the other side we have a villa community, and then here we have Motor City, so it's in an integrated active community. And yeah, so Orbis is going to be a really good extension, and it will match the Motor City vibe very well. So now, after visiting Orbis in Motor City, there's one more really nice project called Solis. And Solis is located directly at the Autodrome. So from some of the apartments you can see the full way to here. And it's Sobha quality. My God, it's super windy here, but let me show you something. Yeah, directly at the Autodrome, we see like such amazing supercars driving by, and right on the Autodrome side we have the Sobha Solis, which will be 4 towers having the full view to the Autodrome, looking at such amazing supercars. Oh my God, look at this. I've been watching this now for 10 minutes. It's super interesting how they race, and by the way, the noise is really bearable.